Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. All is not lost for Montego Bay this summer, says Dream Weekend, following Reggae Sumfest's departure to St. Anne due to damage caused in Catherine Hall by Hurricane Melissa. Dream Weekend, which announced its move to the second city last year after a 16-year stint in Negril, says it's all systems go despite the challenges caused by damage to some venues by the Category 5 hurricane.
If it was ever important to Montego Bay to have a big festival this summer, it's now. They're just coming off of Melissa. A lot of people have been affected. A lot of people were out at work. A lot of businesses were down. So if we were even tempted to move it, we know how important it is to the city.
Last year, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness encouraged the return of live events following the cancellation of several events due to Melissa. In that regard, Dunn says the event is looking to increase its previous economic impact of some $4 billion.
In the past, Dream has been estimated to bring $4.8 billion into the economy. We're estimating this year at $5 billion.
And while some live events have scaled back, Dunn revealed that the all-inclusive series of events will keep its format, hosting several parties from July 30 to August 3.
We'll be having five days of events. We're about to release the lineup. It's going to be 7 or 8 events over the 5 days. So it's again the same Dream Weekend formula, just in Montego Bay, which obviously is a bigger city, more diversity of entertainment.
Tommy Lee Sparta, Alkaline and Chanel Muir have been announced as some of the performers for this year's staging of the event. The Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts unveils Heart of the Caribbean exhibition. Visual arts, ceramics, drawing and jewelry, different pieces across several disciplines are strategically placed inside the Cage Gallery, all created by faculty members telling a story under the theme Heart of the Caribbean.
It was a fitting metaphor for us as faculty and to speak about really who we are as Caribbean nationals.
Ilana Mullins' piece cannot go unnoticed. It's a perfect example of juxtaposition when she stands next to it. Her piece is titled Unprotected.
It's a piece that represents the reality of women in society. Women who've been failed by men who is supposed to protect them.
Camille Cheddar's piece takes up an entire wall, and you can see why. The wall depicting wildflowers is charcoal on paper, incorporating the human figure in a horizontal orientation along with the rice and peas plant.
Celebrating the bush, but also thinking about the human figure in the built environment.
Now, Stefan Clark, who worked alongside Katrina Coombs, creates a compelling story using masks. Clark created the structure of the masks while Coombs produced the fibers. He is also the photographer of the images.
These works are depictions of women who are structured within a society and they have to play certain roles.
The exhibition is open until March 19 at the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.